Hello, here is a quick video going over how to create a listing in Tourismo. So to get to our listings, we're going to go to Content and then Listings. And then to create a new listing, you hit the button at the top right, it says New Listing. Now what we could do is just type in, if it's an existing business, just search for it. So I'm going to use Moon Underwater for this. And select it. It's going to find the website URL. I'm just going to save this for later. And then under the region, I'm going to get a little bit more specific and assign it to the downtown core region. And then I'm going to click on Let's Make Some Magic. Now what the AI is going to do is it's going to check out its Google Places kind of like business card, as well as its website for any information to basically fill out the listing for us. Once it's done, we can hit save. And there, we have our listing. And now we can go through and just correct anything that the AI might have missed or got wrong. So I can see the name is Moon Brewery and Pub. I'm going to call it Moon Underwater. And then it got the region, it pulled the address, which is great, and it pulled the latitude and longitude. This is the one thing that's critical to proceeding with this listing. So we make sure that this is in the right spot. Looks good. And then I could go check out the content. This full description and short description are completely AI generated. So it's good to have a read over, make sure it's saying what you want it to say. And then contacts and links, it will try to find the contact email, phone number for the business. And if it doesn't succeed in that, you can always fill that out. As you can see, it says not provided. And then the hours of operation could be filled out to relay, when this is open. Media is where we can add in hero images and other media for the photo collage. And then we have our magic content. The magic content basically can rerun the AI to pull in information dynamically. And I'll show you what that looks like here by creating this listing manually instead of relying on the AI. So let's delete the listing and then create it again. So instead of using this form, I'm going to create the listing manually from scratch. So that brings us right to this page. I'm going to call it Moon Underwater. And then I'm going to assign the region. Now we need to put in a latitude and longitude. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag it over. I'm going to find Moon Underwater on the map. Just kind of eyeballing it. And then I'm going to drop a pin. I believe it's right about there. And then I'm going to hit save. And that's it. Now this is created, and what we can do is we can either go through and fill out all of this content ourselves, or we can use the magic content after we've created the listing. So under the contacts and links, I'm going to drop that website that I copied previously. Then what I'm going to do is just make sure I'm going to hit save at the bottom, and then I'm going to head over to the magic content and sprinkle some magic fairy dust. Now this is going to rerun the AI using the URL that I provided, and then it's going to give me some suggestions that I can pop in. So I can go, great, great, great. That doesn't look right. I'm going to leave that. And then I could see it pulled some social media and hit save. And there we go. And that's how you create a listing.